In this video, I'll show you how to record your screen with geforce. First, what you want to do is open up geforce Experience, click on the settings icon right here, and make sure you enable in-game overlay. Now it will give you a hotkey which is Alt+C if you want to go to the settings or anything, but you can also click on the settings button right here. Now once this is opened, you can just quickly press done here, and you'll be able to see your replay and record. Now replay is basically if you wanna have a clip of something that already happened. So let's say something happened 10 seconds ago, you can turn on replay and you will get from back in the time. Now to record, you can simply press on this button to start the recording. And if you wanna check anything, you can go over here to settings. Under your recordings, you'll be able to see where your recordings will be filed, as well as you can come down and go to video capture and you can change the settings from in here. Now, most likely you want to have 60 FPS instead of 30. The resolution will be your in-game resolution and you can choose the quality right here. Now you can also choose the replay, instant replay length. So like I said before, if you activate this one, it will go 5 minutes back in the time to replay from that point. Now bitrate, you can play around with this, but the higher, the better. Now it's really simple, guys. You can go to the options here. You can also do the audio and make sure you choose your correct microphone. You can play with the volume. You can even boost it if you want. And that's how it works. So simply press Alt+Z, press on the record button and start recording. Now obviously when you close this down, it's still gonna record. Otherwise it will be kind of stupid. But yeah, you can close this down while recording, then open it again, stop the recording, and it will go into your folder. So that's basically how it works, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.